Hello, my name is Babar Saeed, and I work in a power plant, and I want to share my experience with you guys, for which I have created a channel called Power Plant Technician, so you guys are requested to subscribe our channel so that you are connected with us. So let's move on to our first video. Today our topic is Introduction of Thermal Power Plant. Let us tell you what happens in a thermal power plant. Thermal power plant is a power station in which heat energy is converted into electrical energy. That is, we have to convert the heat into electrical energy. So in this video, we will see what processes are required to convert heat energy into electrical energy. So first of all, we see many components used in thermal power plant. The first component of a thermal power plant is BFP, second boiler, third turbine, fourth generator, and last is condenser. First of all, we talk about BFP. BFP stand for boiler feed pump. It is a centrifugal pump. BFP is a mechanical equipment which is used to pumping the working fluid from low A pressure to high pressure. Because BFP is a multi-stage pump, which has more than one impellers. When water passes through these stages, each stage increases the water pressure. Thus, after passing through the stage, the pressure of the water increases, and then the high-pressure water is sent to boiler 2. Now let's talk about boiler. What is importance? And what is its use of boiler? In thermal power plant, main function of boiler is used to convert the energy of fuel into heat energy. The boiler is a closed vessel which has many tubes inside. The water that comes from the BFP comes into the boiler tubes. Now that the water has entered the boiler, the main function of the boiler is to generate steam. So how do we make the steam? To make the steam we need heat, and to generate heat we use fuel. So the water is in the boiler tubes. When the heat goes into the boiler, it will contact with the tube. The tubes will absorb the heat which will convert the water into steam. That means the water will change its phase. High pressure and high temperature steam is extracted from the boiler and fed to the turbine. 3. Turbine. Turbine is a mechanical rotary device which is used to convert the kinetic energy of steam into mechanical energy. Turbine is a rotary device with fixed and moving blades. The moving blades are mounted on the rotor, and the fixed blades on the casing of the turbine. The high-pressure steam passing through the fixed and moving blades will exert a force on them, causing the turbine to rotate, from which mechanical energy will be obtained. 4. Gearbox. A gearbox and a generator are attached to the turbine. The gearbox is used to control the RPM of the turbine. Gearbox is mechanical device which is used to increase and decrease the rotation of connecting devices. The turbine and generator are connected to the same shaft. 5. Generator. Generator is electrical device which is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The winding is on the shaft of the generator, and there isn't stator winding. When the motor rotates, electricity will be produced. 6. Condenser. Low and high pressure steam exhaust from turbine and enters the condenser. It is special type of heat exchanger device in which exhaust steam from turbine come in condenser and cold water come in tubes from cooling tower. That cold water and change heat with exhausted steam and convert that steam into water. So the steam will convert into water. Rejection of latent heat takes place in the condenser. Thanks for watching our channel.